Oh yes, welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. Vitaly Dubin is here. It's Christmas almost down the corner. Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high of $106,500. The market is on fire. Altcoin season is here. Altcoins are just pumping left and right. And the question is how high we're gonna go, how high Bitcoin is gonna go, what to expect over the next several months. And maybe you are not bullish enough. We have a lot of news to cover over the next 10 minutes, and I want to share with you some powerful altcoins that are gearing up for even larger moves. So let's get this show started, guys. We're seeing the market is $3.61 trillion right now, and we see a really good day for some of the coins like Hype, which is building this amazing decentralized exchange that I've seen the biggest airdrop ever on Hype. I bought some Hyperliquid. It's performing very well. ONDO is on fire, up 12%. Virtual up 22%. Continue going higher. If you look at the months, you can see Hype 580%, Virtual 416%. These are the new winners for this month. Absolutely crushing it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Is just continue to head higher on this month. Continue to go higher. We are right now at $106,000. Maybe by the time Christmas comes and New Year comes, we're gonna reach already $120,000 or $130,000. We're definitely on a very bullish momentum for the price of Bitcoin, and there is a reason for that. Billions of dollars are being pumped into Bitcoin from MicroStrategy. Several $billion every single day, and the talks of the United States Bitcoin Federal Reserve strategic assets. So we have a lot to discuss. Ethereum is also doing very well, trading at $4,000 approximately today, breaking out this month from several months of actually it's been going down. And how high Ethereum go? Well, I'm looking at $5,000 Ethereum next, and after that $7,000 Ethereum. We are seeing Ethereum is poised for record highs in Q1 2025 according to the analyst. The reduced leverage could set Ether up for a rally to a new all-time high during the first quarter of next year, and the anticipation price for Ethereum is around $8,800. You can see over here one of the analysts, it says catching up. Ethereum is going to catch up Bitcoin. If you look at the chart of ETH BTC, we've been on to this channel. We hit the lower part of this channel and we are bouncing up from here. So I would not be surprised that Ethereum is going to go back to around 0.1 of BTC, because the gains, the money is looking to go from Bitcoin, as there's only so much that you can pump the price of Bitcoin, all to the other coins, Ethereum, and after that to the other coins as well. So I'm seeing a possibility Ethereum reaching again this level of 0.1, which means if Bitcoin will reach, let's say, $130,000, Ethereum for $13,000 will represent a move of about 300 to 400% from the current price points. And everyone's eyes in those is altcoin season, because we broke this trend line, and altcoin season means that Bitcoin dominance going down from 60% all the way back to 40%, and that represents a big jump of altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. So this is something that I am eyeing on personally. For a majority of my money is in the altcoins, because I know they're gonna outperform Bitcoin. Even though I like Bitcoin, Bitcoin goes Santa Claus mode. Optimism grows for United States Reserve status, and the talks are that on the first day of his on the first day of the president-elect in the United States, Donald Trump could potentially issue an executive order designated Bitcoin as a reserve asset on January 20. So there's a lot of optimism, a lot of excitement in the air. We also see the market expect a December Federal Reserve rate cut on December 18 of another rate cut of 0.25%, which is of course a bullish thing, pumping more money into the market, and this is just a handful of days away. So the way it goes with the rate cuts, the more it's going to go down, the more the prices are going to go up because of more money is pumping. And BTC price base case now $140,000 coming in higher. We have a lot of bullish news, right? We have a lot of bullish news coming for Bitcoin. So you can see over here a dedicated thread on Twitter. Popular analytics account Bitcoin Data 21 calls $140,000 a base case for Bitcoin's first major cooling off period to begin. Bitcoin trends towards $140,000 by mid-January for a short-term top. My on-chain indicator at $129,000 and riding $500 a day should get to $140,000 in early January. Okay, so this is according in line with other analysts that are also saying that Bitcoin can reach $130,000 for the price of Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin cycle top will be above $129,000, somewhere above this line, $129,000. Well, brace it, guys, brace it. It's another 30% up from where Bitcoin is right now, and of course the whole action is on the altcoins, okay, on the altcoins. So we're seeing big news coming from Ripple as New York regulator approves Ripple's RLUSD stable coin. So this is an exciting news. A rival for USDT is of course gonna create a lot of demand for the XRP token itself, for the XRP coin. We've seen Ripple absolutely rise to historical new all-time highs from 50 cents to $2.9, which is 600% increase in just the past 2 months for the price of Ripple, and I believe Ripple can go even higher than this. It's been dormant for quite a while, but now November, December, it is crashing it because of Donald Trump, because of what has been going on with the elections, and right now with the change of the leadership of the SEC. And on November 25, asset manager firm Wisdom Tree filed for an XRP ETF, joining Bitwise, Canary Capital, and 21 Shares, which all previously submitted application to the SEC for an Ripple exchange traded fund. So Ripple already flipped Solana by market capitalization on December 1, becoming the fourth larger cryptocurrency by market cap. I am holding Ripple. I bought more Ripple, and I think it can go higher than where it is right now. MicroStrategy's Sailor hints at first Bitcoin purchase above $100,000. He has been tweeting week after week, missing a green dot, which means and implies that it's the first purchase of MicroStrategy above $100,000. At this rate, they're adding several $billion every week into Bitcoin, right? So it's really incredible what is going on. MicroStrategy is trading at $408 right now on the open market. And MicroStrategy stock surges on Nasdaq 100 inclusion announcement also, which means that you can buy an ETF, you can buy in the Nasdaq 100, you can buy some piece of MicroStrategy, which they all chime in and buying more Bitcoin, even though they do not own it. Now, looking at Trump may use Bitcoin as U.S. reserve asset on day one, how high Bitcoin price will go. According to the recent interview, we are seeing that it has the potential to go maybe as high as $800,000 per coin. Now, what we need to look into consideration, the Bitcoin Act of 2024, introduced by crypto Senator Cynthia Lummis in July, proposes that Treasury and Federal Reserve purchase 200,000 Bitcoin annually over 5 years, accumulating 1 million Bitcoin, which of course will create a rally, will create like a competition between different governments who owns more Bitcoin. Bitcoin price may hit $800,000 by 2025. And think about that, 1 year from now, Bitcoin $800,000 would be really, really, really exciting. She points a stock to flow model which forecasts Bitcoin price to exceed $800,000 by the end of 2025. Maybe we are not bullish enough. If you're thinking about selling your asset in crypto, think again. You already probably has been punished for doing so in 2023 and 2024, because everything is much higher today. BlackRock suggests 1 to 2% portfolio allocation to Bitcoin, and they have a lot of clients who are talking about total global reserve assets are valued at about $900 trillion. A 2% allocation to Bitcoin from this pool will theoretically drive the cryptocurrency Bitcoin price to around $900,000 per unit. Now, what kind of life-changing gains has been possible? One crypto trader turns $27 into $52 million with savvy Pepe token investments. Can you imagine putting $27 into something and then it actually moves so much percentage? Look at this, 1.9 million X return. He moved 2.1 trillion Pepe, which he bought on 23rd of April 2023 for a merely $27. It is unbelievable. Now, looking here on Avalanche, Avalanche is set on a mainnet on December 16th. On all the eyes on Avalanche is an upgrade on Avalanche. I'm bullish on Avalanche. It's actually been breaking out over here, so it's a good position, I believe, to buy some more Avalanche right now at this current prices. Aptos, which is sitting very good, is also a very good technology for the blockchain, and it might catch up to Sui, which Sui is absolutely crushing it. You can see it's been crushing it 4 months in a row, right now reaching a new all-time high, $4.7. Sui is definitely the blockchain like Solana that is actually doing extremely well, and maybe it is not too late to buy some more Sui because it looks very bullish. ENA also on the Ethereum is pumping the last 2 months, increasing from 40 cents to $1.20, up 300%. I'm holding strong over here. Phantom is pumping $1.38 right now. It is breaking out, and we finally reach $3 next for Phantom. It is on the cards. There is nothing stopping Phantom to go in this bull market and reach more than $3, which is another 250-300% from what it is right now. Say is another coin that is on my radar to buy some more, to accumulate on this blockchain is development. ONDO is pumping it like crazy from 70 cents to $2. It's up 300% of over the last 2 months, doing incredibly well. We see Fart coin, 8 cents. Fart coin, it's a meme coin by AI that is really been created right here on the 18th of October, but it's doing tremendously well. How it is grown right here, 11,500%, 11,000%, something really crazy. And over the past several days, if you look at the daily chart over here, it's increased by 400% pump for the price of Fart coin. Okay, so we're seeing ONDO Finance been purchased by World Liberty Financial, which is a project supported by the family of Donald Trump. So how we are going? Ethereum $6,000 soon. That is the target. I hold a lot of Ethereum. We are closing this week very bullish for Ethereum, and continuation is on the rise. Solana intermediate target is $400. I believe so. We're gonna get there for Solana. It's accumulating Solana is not too late. Okay, and we are seeing here Bitcoin new all-time high, $112,000 is in sight. Very soon coming. Very bullish things that are happening right now in crypto. Okay, so that's one more thing. We are seeing that Thailand is exploring the potential of Bitcoin as legal tender following a proposal by former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra. So, I mean, look at this. Everyday transaction pilot program in Phuket. If you live in Phuket, maybe you'll start to see people accepting Bitcoin, just like El Salvador is doing. And hash rate precedes the price. The new hash rate adjusted Inferred price for Bitcoin is now over $550,000 because the hash rate is going to the moon. The price to mine Bitcoin increased above $90,000. Need to check right now what is the price. But we also have an amazing opportunity of the meme coin Kimba the White Line is launching a massive campaign this week, in a bunch of YouTubers going to be talking about Kimba the White Line this week. So this is the last opportunity, I believe, for you to accumulate this coin, and that cheap at 0001434 right now that is trading. Also, another coin that is reaping is Acacia Life. This is a coin that has no website yet, no white paper yet, but this is a layer 0 protocol they've been working on behind the scenes, this technology, since 2019. Once the people are gonna realize what this technology is about, this is a $30 coin plus. So here is a couple of insights for you on take advantage this bull market. Do not be lazy, do your research, position yourself well, send your coins in a safe, secure environment in your wallet, like a cold wallet like Trezor or Ledger Nano X or One Key, which is my favorite one. So I wish you all the best, guys, and let's get this on show, spread across the world. Put in the like, put in the comment, and I will see you also inside my Telegram channels, crypto updates. Happy Christmas, everyone.